great day. I am Christine Grace G. Malasig, 24 years old, taking up Bachelor of Science in Criminology at National College of Science and Technology. A former intern of Bureau of Fire Protection, Dasmariñas City Fire Station, and Silang Municipal Police Station. During my time as an intern, it had taught me to have a positive attitude towards work, good personal characteristic, and to be a good communicator. As a part of industry and community where interacting with people and people concerns are prioritized, I have been in a lot of activities, seminars, and inspections that are related to my degree that molds my dedication to connect more with people in the society. I was a service crew, a quality checker or inspector, and currently a member of Sangguniang Kabataan. My skills and qualities are not only fitted inside the school, but also acceptable and flexible in the working industry. It is my pleasure to be part of your company, and I am looking forward to future transactions with you. Thank you so much and have a blessed day.